From Wall Street jitters over inflation to China's record trade numbers, gold's relentless climb, surging GCC bank profits, and the unveiling of Apple's thinnest iPhone yet, we've got it all lined up. Welcome to Finance Pulse, and here are the top headlines of the day. All eyes are on inflation this week as the Federal Reserve prepares for its key September 16 to 17 policy meeting. Recent data, including a soft August jobs report, shows the US labor market is cooling faster than expected. That's pushed Treasury yields lower and raised market confidence to 100% that the Fed will cut rates this month. Meanwhile, consumer-focused earnings added nuance. Dollar Tree hinted at wealthier shoppers trading down. Lululemon's results showing athleisure is losing steam, while American Eagle's success proved the right ad campaign still drives sales. Tech watchers are counting down to September 9 when Apple unveils its next lineup at Cupertino. The centerpiece? The iPhone 17 Air, the thinnest iPhone ever, designed to balance sleek form and accessible pricing. Alongside the Air, new Apple Watches and AirPods with heart rate tracking are expected to headline. The reveal could redefine Apple's strategy as competition intensifies in the smartphone market. Over to Beijing, where export growth slowed sharply in August, rising just 4.4% year-on-year, the weakest pace in 6 months. Shipments to the US plunged further, but sales to other regions surged, keeping China on course for a record annual trade surplus of more than $1.2 trillion. It's a reminder of how resilient China's global trade links remain even as frictions with Washington deepen. In commodities, gold continues its record-breaking rally. After Friday's surge, bullion ticked higher again Monday, topping $3,604 an ounce. The weak US employment report boosted bets on imminent Fed rate cuts, sending investors rushing into safe havens. With unemployment at its highest since 2021, gold's momentum is now firmly tied to expectations of easier US policy. And here in the Gulf, regional banks are enjoying historic profits. GCC-listed lenders reported combined net income of $16.2 billion in the second quarter, up nearly 4% from the previous quarter and more than 9% from last year. Strong revenue growth and efficiency gains outweighed higher impairments, keeping the sector on a record-breaking path for 2025. Now to our deep dive, the buzz around Apple's upcoming keynote. The star of the show is expected to be the iPhone 17 Air, a mid-tier device that's just 5.5mm thin, making it the slimmest iPhone ever. It will feature a 6.6-inch display, a lighter titanium frame, and a single 48-megapixel rear camera. The rest of the lineup gets upgrades too. The standard iPhone 17 grows to 6.3 inches, while the Pro and Pro Max keep their larger sizes, with the Max rumored to pack a massive 5000 mAh battery. All models are expected to adopt LTPO OLED Pro Motion displays with 120Hz refresh rates, a first for Apple across the entire range. Under the hood, the new A19 chips will power the devices, with Pro models offering 12GB of RAM for advanced AI features. Reverse wireless charging, improved astrophotography, and a bold new two-tone design, including an Orange Pro variant, are also on the cards. Prices are expected to hold steady, starting at $799 for the base model, with the Air around $899 and the Pro series climbing above $1,099. It all becomes official on September 9th at Apple's Cupertino campus, when the company sets the tone for its next year of innovation. That's all in Finance Pulse for today. Follow the Finance 360 for more updates.